If your filament is old or damaged, or if you used a heat setting far over the ramp test value, as shown here, you will need to replace your filament. First, slide your glass to the right and out of the way. Loosen each filament clamp screw about 1/2 turn, and remove your old or damaged or burned out filament. Place a piece of glass in the right puller bar, slide it forward so it is positioned between the jaws, and tighten the knob. The glass should be aligned exactly over the air jet hole. To do this, use the lower eccentrics. First loosen the locking screw, and then turn the small eccentric screw so the glass is perfectly aligned front to back over the air jet. Then tighten the locking screw. Now slide your glass to the right and out of the way, and hold your new filament in this manner, and position the filament wings under the filament clamps. You'll need to adjust the filament right to left so it's perfectly centered over the air jet hole. Once centered, slide your glass back through the filament and use your glass as a tool to adjust the filament front to back so it is centered around the glass. Once the filament is centered over the air jet and around the glass, hold the front clamp while tightening the back clamp, then tighten the front clamp. Your final step is to fine-tune the position of the glass within the filament by using the upper and lower eccentrics. First, use the lower eccentric to adjust the assembly so the glass is centered front to back within the filament. Loosen the locking screw and turn the eccentric, and then tighten the locking screw. Then use the upper eccentric to move the filament assembly up and down so the glass is centered perfectly within the filament. Once centered, tighten your locking screw. For additional tech support, please contact Sutter.